Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. One pizza, too many cooking and unboxing videos. Now you can just about see me behind this big box. What's in the box, you're saying? It's a fridge. So, fridge in a box. Yeah, this is a camping fridge. Okay, because I was going to get a fridge for out here, and I thought I may as well, as the saying goes, kill two birds with one stone. And I thought, why not get a fridge that I can take camping as well? So I thought I'll bring you guys the unboxing of this particular item, because I know it may be of interest for some of you with your barbecue shacks, you know, a lot of you camping as well with your uni ovens, and this was a really good deal, and I thought you guys may be interested in this. So what is it? So as you can see next to me, I've got the exact item that I bought off eBay. It's a Polarbox 42 litre, and it's an AC/DC 12 volt compressor fridge. So this is a proper fridge, not one of these sort of camping fridges that are the absorption fridges. It is a proper compressor. Okay, so let's get it open. First things first, straps, and then I've already cut open and we're left with a polystyrene box. So it's well packaged. It isn't one of these box in a box unboxings that, as you guys, if you're subscribed to the channel, know that really annoy me. And it is pretty cool. I'm just going to let this out. I need all this packaging out of the way. And you'll be able to see we have 12 volt or 24 volt DC input just at the back, and we've got low, high and medium. Then if you spin it around, we have digital temperature gauge. We can adjust the temperature and we can change what setting, so it freezes and it also refrigerates. So lift the lid so it opens up, and inside we've got a nice basket for ease of lifting things in and out, and it also comes with an outer case as well, thermal case. Just move stuff so you can see inside. There we go. So it's got two compartments, smaller top one and a larger centre one, and the lid is retained as well. So nice positive close to stop this from opening while you're travelling. Very nice. 12 volt connectors, and we have the kettle lead that plugs into the transformer, which drops it down to 12 volt. So we can plug it in and run it at home until it gets nice and cold, and then we're going to switch it over to the car plug and run it while we're in the car. Then when you get to the campsite, you can switch it back over to the plug or keep it running on 12 volt. And it does have built-in battery protection for your car, which is good to know. It does come with a little instruction book as well, but to be honest, there's not that much in it. All it says is temperature range from -20 to 10 degrees, and that's about it. It just says don't put near flames, and also it does say that you can't switch it on for 10 hours after it's been delivered to you. So I'll be switching this on tomorrow, and I'll add that bit to the video. So next, we have the insulated jacket. Has rubber feet, and this comes in with the price of the fridge itself, which I think is pretty good really. And it also has a carry strap. So let's see how easy it is to get the fridge into this bag. So now I've worked out which way around it actually goes. It's this way. Little silicone packet. So just remove the fridge off. It's fairly heavy, to be honest. So I imagine once this is full of food or beverages, it's going to be quite wieldy to kind of manoeuvre. Okay, and I'm just going to zip this up as well. I'm just going to spin this around so you can see. So the zip down here is quite tight, and then Velcro around the top. There's mesh vents as well, little pockets at the side, and then that leaves you free still for your controls. So then when you want to open the lid, you just pull the Velcro and open it up. That's all still in this protective packet, which I think is a really good design. Now obviously these fridges, they're not cheap. However, if you go camping a lot or barbecue a lot, or you've just got money to burn, I think they're a really good investment, because let's face it, if you're going camping or barbecuing, you want your beer and your food ice cold, and this is going to do it. Now at around the £350 mark for this particular fridge, you think, wow, that's expensive. It is. However, the equivalent Dometic fridge is around £700 to £900, depending on where you would buy it from. So it is half the price. It's not a brand name, it's not a Dometic. However, as things go, eBay returns are really easy. So I thought I'd give this a whirl. So I'm going to report back on how this goes during some camping trips we've got planned. I'll maybe do some Facebook Live, so make sure you do head over to my Facebook page at One Pizza Too Many so you don't miss those. Then finally we have some carry straps. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 carry straps with little clip-on points all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 on each corner. So 8 straps, which is really good. So these double up as carry straps, but also if you have this in a vehicle, they also double up as tie-down straps. Because obviously when this is full in an accident, it is going to go flying. So join me tomorrow when we can get this plugged in. I'll move you in close, give you a little peek inside better, close up with the dials on the front, and we'll get it plugged in, and fingers crossed we can see how cold it gets. Time flies when you're having fun. So it's now actually been 24 hours I've left this sat here, and we're now going to plug it in, and fingers crossed it all works. So first things first, I'm going to just lift the lid. I put all the electric bits in here overnight just to keep them where they should be. So I'm going with the plug and the 12-volt adapter. I'm just spinning it round, and I'm just going to undo the cable keeps. I'm going to plug that in there. I'm going to put it on high, which is the middle one. And then we're going to plug it in, but I'm going to bring you closer when we plug it in so you can see the actual dials. I've got my trusty extension lead. I'm going to plug it in. And let's have a look. Okay, so it's a little bit bright, so let me just peel that off. Okay, so we've got an on-off, which is just there. So that's now switched off. So switch it back on. And then you've got settings. And I'm going to, temperature is currently at 0. So I'm going to put it onto 1. It says it's on Eco and, well, Eco and Max. So I've got it on Max, and it says that the power is going to it. And it's on. And I've got to say it's pretty quiet. Definitely quite quiet. So what I'm going to do is, while I've got you in close, I'm just going to lift the lid so you can see what it is like inside. So we've got this bigger area here with a basket which will keep plenty of things nice and cold, and this basket just hooks on this back section, and you've got a smaller section just here at the back. So overall, you know, I'd say for the money it's a really good box. We've got a little LED light at the back as well. Fantastic. So I'll close this down. So it's currently saying that it's 14 degrees inside the fridge. So what I'm going to do is give this, let's say, an hour, exactly an hour, and see what it gets down to. So this has actually only been running now for 20-25 minutes, and already I'm down to 2 degrees inside temperature. You can hear the fan running, but overall I'd say that was pretty quiet for a camping fridge, and it's a full compressor fridge as well. So yeah, brilliant. The last thing to mention is size, because as we all know, size matters when it comes to fridges when we're camping. Now this particular fridge, lengthwise, okay, and this takes it from the handle to the handle, so right at the start, okay, is 690mm. Then the width right from side to side is 345mm, and the depth from bottom to top is 462mm, and it's 42 litres capacity. It's still on. It's now silent because the compressor's not running. It's down to temperature. It uses 50 watts of electricity or energy, and one of these would run for a fairly long time on a battery setup, especially if you've got a new lithium battery setup. Let me know if you've got one of these. What do you think of them? Are they any good compared to the Dometic or Electrolux versions that are double or triple the price? I'll be sure to update you on my travels with this when we're out about camping, making pizzas, barbecuing, all sorts of stuff. So this will be coming with me. Obviously make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you've found this particular video useful. Make sure you check out my other videos for barbecuing, pizza, and obviously ninja cooking tips and tricks, and other unboxing videos that you may be interested in. And of course, just thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you very soon.
One pizza too many.